everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we are talking about Durban General Hospital or Durban Gen. Love triangle still continue between Mbali Sibusiso and Lindelani. Mbali was diagnosed with a kidney failure and she needs an organ transplant or she will die. Both fiancé wants to offer their kidney, but after careful consideration, Lindelani changed his mind, thinking about Lwandle. He is a single parent. What will happen if his daughter encounters the same problem and needs a donor in future? Who will help him? So he decided to withdraw. Initially, Mbali wants to turn down Sibusiso's offer because of the guilty conscience. The reality is Mbali has fallen out of love with Sibusiso, but because of the sacrifices he is willing to do, Mbali is thinking of giving their relationship a second chance. She starts avoiding Lindelani, too scared to tell him that she is going back to Sibusiso and they will get married after a life-changing or a life-saving surgery. The big question, guys, is what will Sibusiso do if she if he finds out that Mbali is not a virgin anymore and that Lindelani is the one who took it? Will he continue to love and support her? We are about to find out. Mbali and Lindelani are beautiful couple, but they can't be together. Mbali and Sibusiso are worst couple, but the situation are forcing them to be together. Guys, if you are given a chance to advise Mbali, which man will you choose for her? Please comment below and share your opinion. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.